Hi guys, Megan here, and thank you for joining us for another episode of MOPA's Through My Lens. Today, we're going to be talking about using foreground in your images. So the foreground is whatever is closest to your camera, and the background are things that are really far away from the camera. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can place something in the foreground of your image to obstruct your subject. An obstruction is something that blocks or gets in the way of your subject and changes the image entirely. As you guys just saw in the last clip, this is my friend Christie, and she's going to help us demonstrate how to use obstruction in the foreground. Once you find an area that you like, place your subject behind the other obstructions, and you can move your camera around to get a really cool angle. So for me, the most important thing is that Christie's face is in focus, so I'm going to be tapping on her face to focus my camera there, and that will make the palm fronds out of focus. And if I move farther back, there are more things obstructing her face. And if I move closer, there are less things obstructing her face. Let's take things over to Chantal and Anna to see their take.
Thanks, Megan. I'm Chantal from MOPA. This is my daughter, Anna, and today we are going to play with handheld obstructions to create some unique images. So we've gathered some objects from around our house that we think might look really cool. We have some fake plants, some decorative sculptural objects that were kind of interesting, this fiber optic light, night light, and then some lace from a dress. So we're just going to go and experiment. We played with using these objects as frames or to create interesting shapes around our subject. Some ideas worked better than others, but that's okay. What cool foregrounds and compositions will you try?
Thanks for watching another episode of MOPA's Through My Lens. If you try this out at home, be sure to tag MOPA SD on Instagram and Twitter and give this video a thumbs up. We'll be posting new videos every week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you next time. Bye!